Right, in the Smart Car, we are going to do a video on how to remove the speedo, the cowl here, these two, and then the dashboard, because we're trying to get to the speakers. There's numerous other heater controls, as you'll see when you've got the dashboard out. Now, in order to get this far, we have removed this center dash section. George, can you do the little pointy thing? Yeah, we've done that there, right? So you'll have to watch that video first. We've got the steering wheel removed, and we've done a video of how to do that, and George will do the pointy thing for that one as well. But you don't need to remove the steering wheel to do this operation. It's easier, but you don't need to. So you could do all of this by just removing the center dash. You don't need to do the steering wheel, but you'll see it's easier, especially for the video. Right, so what we're going to do. So first thing, quick summary, there's 4 screws under here. Bom, 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 bom. We'll have a look where they're in a minute. They screw up into the top half of this, so we can dip this off. There's a hidden bolt under here. Then we've got to whoop the air vent out, and there's a hidden bolt under there, and then this whole dash is going to slide out. Right, I'm going to start up here. Now, I've coloured the bolts in that we're going to remove, that you can see anyway, orange. Now, all the screws I take out are all the same. I love the Smart Car for that. I've never known a car as good. Apparently 2CVs are good for it. So there we go, they're all like that. Right, but they won't have the orange heads, they'll have the black heads. Right, 1, 2. Now, there may be 2 or there may be 3. I can't remember how many we had in here originally, because I've had this on and off a couple of times. But either way, it's easy enough. They're all the same. Right. This is the clock and the rev counter. Now the clock hasn't got any wire going to it. The wire that went into was the hazard panel that we removed in the other video. Right. This one is still connected, so we're going to just lie that down there out the way for now. Right, now there's a screw up in here somewhere. Now he's a Torx T10, and you'll need quite a long one, and there's a bit of a pig to find. You've got to rotate your, especially if you're low to medium skill level, not myself. There we go. You'll feel it dock in. It's not a very exciting video. Now, as I recall, they didn't tend to drop out. Oh, there you go. Yeah, so that's, again, the same, but I haven't coloured the heads in orange. Whoops, he's gone. Right, so there's one there. And then, if you look from the front here, you'll see these 2 pillars here. And there's a screw that goes up. And you can see it actually coming out at the front here. As well, so if you look up, you can see it unscrewing in there. Okay, it may or may not come out. Oh, there we go. I'm lucky again. 2, and this is the other pillar there at the front there. Yep, there we go. 3, and then the last one is here, which is the same as that other side. There's only 4 holes under here, so you can't. Every hole under here has got one in it. And if they don't come out, you can give it a bash and they'll drop out. Right, so there's our 4 screws for that. Right, we're on. Right then. Right, so we should be able to lift this assembly up now. It's clipped in here where these 2 clip together, so you may have to, I've just had this out, so it might be right, but careful because there's some wires in the back here. Now let me see if I can give you the best view I can. Now, whoa! Right, I've got to get this the best way up so that you can get the best view of what's going on. Right, now this one is a bit tricky. Now I'll show you when it's off, but there's a little arm you've got to press. There's a little pin you've got to press, and then this arm, if you've got enough light there on the camera,
not really.
That moves over there. So what we've got, so that was on there. And what you've got is a little bit you've got to press in under here, and you press that in, and then that arm swings up and ejects that connector out of that slot there. And then you've got this green connector here, and you've got to squeeze, let me see if I can do it without getting in the way of the camera. You've got to squeeze both ends in and pull that out. So again, as you squeeze those ends, you'll see these bits here, sort of they separate just enough to release that there, right? And that should be speedo instrument cluster removed. Right, Now we're getting good. Now we're getting good. Right, this is where George, I swap over. Right, now, what first thing you've got to do is remove this air vent. So how do you do that, George? You just grabbed that air vent, didn't you? Ah, no, you didn't remove it. You put it back on.
Yeah.
So go on, you just got to wrestle him off. Go on, break it. Get it off like you're going to break it. There you go. Right, and let's have a look. How did that fit on? So you can see that that fits on. It's just got those little tabs around the edge there. So that literally just rips off like that. And then have a peer in there, George. Have a peer. Show everyone what you can see in there. See if you can see. There's a Torx T30 head there. Can you see that on the camera, George?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's sort of like goldy colour. So you got to undo that. That's the biggie. Now he was quite tight. Right, let's have a look at that bolt, George. There you go. Right. So yeah, that's that one. So we got that out. That's the main bolt holding it in, really. Right. Now the next tricky sort, it's not tricky at all, is this one down here. Can you see that one I've got? I've coloured it orange. You got that on the camera, George? Enough like that?
Yeah.
Right. Now, unfortunately, you can't get a. I've had to get a little. Oh, I'm on the wrong way. Sorry. There you go. Right. I couldn't get the screwdriver on there because I haven't got enough room. Now I'm going to think this is going to be the same but the other way round on a left-hand drive. Smart. So don't give up because this is actually the last screw. It will be home and dry. Again, this screw's the same as all the others. So I said they're all the same, but the only one that's different is that big Torx T30. The rest of them are all exactly the same. Well, here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, there we go. Again, he's all the same as all the others. Torx T10. Right, boom, boom. Right, the dashboard now is ready to remove. So in the middle here, you'll notice this located over this pin. So we need to lift it up a bit so it gets over that pin. And then once it's over that, we should be able to pull it towards us. Careful, because we've still got the rev counter there hanging. So if we lift it up a bit and then pull it, that will go. Now, before we go any further, don't go too far, because if you've got your original speakers, you'll have these speaker connectors on here. So there's no special clip on them. They just undo there. And then if you come around this side, George, can you come around the other side of me there? Oh, hold on, let me move my arm. There you go, that's better, isn't it? Right, that should... Right, that comes off there. And then I should better lift that dashboard out. Right, and... Oh, let me get out. So that is the dashboard. So we'll have a good look what we got here if I get out of the way. So that's the dashboard there. So that all comes out as one piece like that. Right. Okay. And then let's have a look what we've got left in. So it all looks a bit like you've smashed it all up. Obviously we've got the speaker wires. You can see here we've got the heater controls. We've got the heater blower. Oh, that's where your ODB2 socket is, look, on a smart car. You've got access to your steering, loads of access, your fuse box, all your wire in there. So it could be worth taking out if you've got some other serious issues. This is I think this twisted a bit when I undid it first time, but this is the mount that the bolt goes into for holding the dash on. There we go, good luck with that. That's Smart ForTwo 450 dashboard removed. We'll do a speaker upgrade video now, but we'll do a separate video. Can you do the point for the speaker upgrade video, George? Thank you, good luck with that.